Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to insert a new tab in QlikView and what is its use in QlikView. So you can see this particular main sheet over here. So whenever we will go to the edit script window, over there we will see a tab option. So we will go to this particular file menu, click on edit script, or you can press Ctrl+C. So now you can see this particular edit script window. So over here you can see some code is written, and for connection of database and from data from any of the files, you can go over here. So this is the main tab. So now there is one option named as tab. So if you want to insert a new tab, you have to click on this particular tab option and then insert tab. So if I want to give the name of the tab as main2, so I'll keep it as it is main2. And if I want to load any of the file, so it is not going to affect, so that is going to be loaded in the sheet. So even though you are going to load in this particular tab, if you are connected with a file, the code is going to generate over here. Now I'll connect with the file, click on the table file, and connect with a file named as coffee chain sales for open. I don't want this particular, I want only the heading of the column. I click on save. So code is going to be generated over here, even though you are going over here. So in the new tab, it is going to be there. Now I'll click on OK. I'll click on reload, so that you will get to understand that the data is getting loaded in this particular sheet. But before that, we have to save it. Say we will save it by another name. Say it is an exercise 47. Save it. So this is being saved and the script is being executed. Now I'll click on reload. Yeah, so this exercise is being saved. Now what I will do, I will right click over here. If I want to see that particular data, how am I going to see that particular data? So one thing is that you can see it directly by going towards right click, going towards this particular new sheet object, and you can directly click on system table. The moment you click on the system table, the data is going to appear over here. If you are going to click on this particular table type, product type, so it is going to show you. So whichever fields you want, you can select from here. So likewise. So these are nothing but the field names. So if you want to create, say, we'll remove this. If you want to create a table box, so it can show that data which is there in that particular new tab. So I'll write over here coffee sales, window title as coffee sales, new tab. I'll add all. I'll click on coffee chain sales, and click on apply and okay. So this is the case, coffee sales new tab. So this is the table which is being created. So in this way we can use, or we can insert a new tab and we can take the data. We can load the data and we can take the data in this particular sheet or PDF. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.